TPG Tech Squad, and welcome back to another video. And today we will be discussing how to resolve an issue with an MKV that is corrupted, or it was stopped abruptly. And thankfully with this format, it's fairly simple to actually recover it, because unlike if an MP4 were to kind of get stopped abruptly, it doesn't completely make it unrecoverable, like you can see right here. So let's go over that. And before that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the video, and share it around, because it really does help our channel out immensely and helps to get us more exposure so we, can do better and bigger things. All right, with that said, let's crack right into it. All right. So first off, all we need to do is just reformat this MKV. And what program we're going to use that? My bad. What program we're going to do to actually do that is going to be my good old friend VLC. So if you didn't know, VLC has the ability to actually format or reformat video files that it does read. And we're going to go ahead and do that here. So what we want to do is to convert and save here from the media menu. So we want to go to our primary drive, and we do have the MKV that's not working, this one that I recently recovered. I recently did. And we're going to go ahead and format this. Okay, so now that we have it selected, we just press convert and whatever. And I already have it preset here. You want to select video for YouTube HD, and you want to make sure convert is selected. And you just want to choose your destination file, which we're going to put back on my external drive. And here we go. It's going to go ahead and convert it. All right, and now it's going through with the convert process. It's going to take a little bit though, since this was fairly small when I did stop. It is just going to take a few minutes, really. Well, or just 1 minute, actually. And there we go. It's finished. And now what we want to do is open up the folder and give it a little bit check out to see if our work is fine and dandy here. Hey guys, and we're back. Yep, there we go. We just finished up the formatting. Voila, guys, and it is complete. If you found that useful, though, just let me know by comment, liking, or, you can just put the subscribing on the side. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Hey, glad to see you made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. TPG out.